What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the D-Link HD 180 degree Wi-Fi camera. So straight out of the box you've got the Wi-Fi camera itself, a micro USB power adapter, and an information sheet. The camera itself features 720p live viewing and video recording through the My D-Link app, and with a wide field of view, hence its name, at 180 degrees, this gives a fisheye camera effect and allows more to be seen in frame. You're also able to mount this camera onto a wall, and it can be adjusted with its swivel design. The camera also features motion and sound detection and a micro SD card slot so that you can back up your recordings and images. A big standout feature with this Wi-Fi camera is that its support for Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and IFTTT. So getting started with the app is pretty simple. If you've seen my review of the D-Link DCS-8100LH, then it's the same setup. Create yourself an account, use your smartphone to scan the back of the camera and its QR code, and configure the camera to your wireless network. From here, you have the ability to configure the app for sound and motion events and how you receive notifications. You of course have the ability to see a live view of what the camera sees and hears. Two-way communication is available to talk through your smartphone as well. The camera features IR LEDs on the front and allows for up to 5 meters of viewing in total darkness, and I generally found this camera was able to pick up some detail. The picture quality itself I believe is below par, and as I explained in my review of the D-Link 8000LH, 720p for the price of this at $199.95 Australian dollars is a bit of a disappointment. I would have expected, again, at least 1080p. Moving on to the smart features this camera brings, it is nice to be able to ask Google to show your camera on your TV. I wasn't able to test out Amazon's Assistant, but it's good that they've opened it up to multiple assistants. It's not a HomeKit compatible device, however, if that's of interest to you. To sum up my thoughts on the product, I think that considering its price point, D-Link really need to step up their game in terms of picture quality. I find it hard to make out details with its 720p image quality. Again, that's not something I'm going to really back down on. If you need a way just to monitor your kids or pets, then this should be good enough. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this review of the D-Link DCS-8100LH. A special thanks to D-Link for providing a sample for review. Please note that all the opinions in this video are my own, and nobody saw the video before it was published. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe for more, and yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!